Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to continue with the Python like operations on Excel using Python. Okay, so in the last lecture we learned about worksheet slicing, previous to that accessing the cells, and previous to that loading workbook. Okay, so let's load the workbook here. So today we are going to see how to fetch all rows and columns. Okay, so let's load the workbook here. Okay, so now how to fetch all the rows and columns here. So there is one method or function you can say. So basically worksheet.max row returns like the maximum number of rows available, count of that, and max column returns like the maximum number of columns available. So if I give now here, okay, I need to assign first. Okay, let's assign ws is equal to wb of sheet 1. Okay, now if I go and hit ws of max row is 3, so basically max row here is 3, so 1 2 and 3, and max column should be 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so if I go and hit enter, it should give 4. Okay, now if I want to print the data of all the rows and columns, so you just need to use for loop here. So for I in range 1 comma ws of max row plus 1, so it is it through all rows 1 2 3 and 4, and then for j in range 1 comma ws dot max column plus 1. Okay, that is, sorry, rows are 1 2 3 and max column is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so print ws of, that is worksheet of cell of I comma j. Okay, so now cell of I comma j will give like 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 like that. Okay, dot value. So in this, what we did here is ws dot cell will give us value, right? So here you can see ws dot cell dot of I comma j. So I comma j is nothing but that cell we are defining using I comma j, and then dot value will give us that value. Okay, and then we are ending it. So if I go here, it will give us 1 2 3 a 4 5 6 a 7 8 9 a. Okay, so all the values we will get here. Okay, so if you try it reversely, you will get like this. Okay, so basically first you need to give row here. Okay, so just replace, if you take I till columns, it won't give you last column because rows are 3, right, and columns are 4. That is why. So rows should come first and columns should come next. Okay, so this is how you can fetch all the data of the Excel using this operation, max row and max column. Okay, so hope this helps. So if you learned something from this video, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care, bye bye.